welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I want to say hi to all of my new subbies, and just so you guys know, my name is Martha, but I do go by Charms XOXO here on YouTube and also on all of my social medias. So for today's video, I am doing this makeup look here, and basically this makeup tutorial or makeup look was inspired for me going on a mini vacation or mini getaway with some of my best friends, and I must say this was my go-to look over there. I literally, you guys, this makeup is sweat proof, waterproof, long lasting all freaking day. I wore this makeup since Saturday. I got ready around 6 in the morning and I didn't take off my makeup till 3 in the morning. No, I didn't take off my makeup till around 2 in the morning, if I'm not mistaken. So it really lasted a long time. Keep in mind, I did go to Palm Springs. It's super hot, humid. You walk outside, your hair is not curly anymore or straight. It's horrible. You're literally sweating in places that you didn't even know you could sweat. That's how bad it is. I'm super excited to be filming this for you guys. Just getting away from for a little bit really inspired me a lot, because the hotel where we stayed at, I was taking OOTDs or just like full body photos, kind of, you know, trying to make sure my Instagram always has something going up. I'm trying to do better and be better at that, you guys. So hopefully I'm able to put more content out there for all of you, especially because sometimes I feel like there's not enough plus size, if you will, girls on Instagram showing what they're wearing or where they got their clothes from. I know me, at least me, it is a little bit harder to be shopping just in general for any type of clothes. So when I find something cute, I want to show you guys, and hopefully I'm able to also do maybe hauls if I do end up purchasing like a lot of clothes from a certain company, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I can film that for you guys. If you guys enjoy this quick vacay makeup, and it is, like I said, sweat proof, humidity proof, everything proof. Like, this is locked and loaded makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social medias. I will link that down below. I love each and every one of you, and thank you so much for coming and watching my YouTube video. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox primer water, and I really like to just spray this all the way into my skin, and then I go in with the TATCHA smoothing silk primer just to smooth out my skin, because my pores have been kind of crazy lately. I really want to get a facial. For my foundation cocktail, it's gonna be the Fenty Beauty Foundation in 300 and the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation in Aruba, and I just like to mix these two together. On their own, they are amazing, but mixed together, it's so freaking flawless. I love. And then for concealer to conceal these dark circles that I have, I'm going to be using my MAC Conceal and Correct palette, and first I use the NW25 just to cancel out any darkness under my eye, and that actually makes a huge difference. Then I go in with my NARS Custard Concealer, and I love this color. I love this formula. It's so amazing. It covers up so perfect, and it's not heavy on the skin. It actually feels like you're not wearing any concealer, so it doesn't feel heavy, and that's exactly what I'm looking for, especially when I'm on vacation, because it's hot, it's humid. The last thing I want to feel is like I have makeup on my face. And then to bake today, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade number 10. And I just kind of bake with this. I don't leave it on for too long because I don't want it to have any kind of flashback or anything. I mean, not that I've had any problems with it, but you know, just so it doesn't dry my under eyes out. And then for my eyebrows, I am using the Brow Wiz in medium brown just to really shape my brow. And then I go in with the Powder Duo in caramel to fill it in. And that's kind of what I do with my brows. I haven't got them done, so they're looking a little cray right now, so I really have to like go in there, shape them, and also clean them up. And when I clean them up, I also use the MAC Conceal and Correct palette, but I use it in NC30. So this is what I love about this palette, is that I have a lot of different concealer shades, so it's a lot easier for me to just pack in my makeup bag when I'm traveling or when I'm going out for like a night or two or something, you know, away for the weekend. That's what I mean. So I just go in there, clean the brow, and that really makes a difference. It makes it look way more clean, sharper, like I actually got my brows done. But we all know I haven't got them done yet. I'm just kind of like cleaning them up. And then for eyeshadow primer, I am so obsessed with this primer, and it's the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. You guys, if you guys have not tried it, go pick it up. It's amazing. If you guys want a full video on this primer, I can definitely do that for you guys as well. So I do pat it in with my finger because I do find it that works the best, but I have also tried a brush and it also works amazing. So I grab my powder, my MAC NC30, I believe it is, and I just kind of like set my eyeshadow base with that. Now for bronzer, I'm using the NYX matte bronzer in medium and my Laura Mercier bronzer in bronze 04. I just really love these two mixed together. It's so beautiful, and it just looks like so natural. So that's what basically I'm looking for, just the natural-esque look. And then I also bronze my nose with that, and I do clean it up with some translucent powder. For blush, I'm using the shade Party from Tarte, and I really love this blush because I can go heavy with it or I can go very light. In this case, I went light. For eyeshadow, the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. First, I'm mixing orange soda and burnt orange all over my crease, and then I do go in after with Sienna. So with Sienna, I'm using it on my outer crease, as you guys can see, just to add a little bit more definition to my eyes, so my eyes don't look so little, because I do have little eyes. So when I do eyeshadow, I like to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. For my lower lash line, I'm using CYPRUS Umber, and I just like putting this one in my lower lash line. For my waterline, I use the lip liner Naked, and now I'm curling my lashes. And then I'm putting mascara, and this mascara is from Tarte. For my eyelashes, I'm actually using COKO lashes in Queen Bee. I fell back in love with these lashes. It's so crazy, I stopped using them for a while, but oh my god, I love these lashes. They're so beautiful. For my highlighter, I'm using Laura Geller Gilded Honey, and I'm just bathing in this, you guys. Like, I'm putting it everywhere that I can, and when I was on vacation, I was even putting it all over my body. So it's so beautiful. I just love it. And right now I'm just blending everything out. For my lip liner, it is from MAC, and it is in the shade Strip Down. You guys know this is my baby, my go-to lip liner. I love this lip liner. It's amazing. For my lipstick, this is from Dose of Colors in the Katy and Desi collection in More Creamer Please. I'm just patting it in, and now I'm using my Anastasia gloss in Freya, and this is such a beautiful gloss, you guys. But that's the end of the tutorial, loves. I love each and every one of you, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.